Welcome back to my video. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a Python program and how to execute it. To create a Python program, we need to install some of the packages related to the Python background. So, you have seen many hackers use Python programming to create a hacking tools. So now, I'm going to install Python by typing apt install Python and then pressing enter. Okay, now all the packages have been installed. Now directly creating a program file by typing nano new.py. Okay, now here we are in the text editor. Now typing print opening and closing brackets. In that I'm going to write hello, this is a Python program, ending up the semicolon. Next, I equal to 100, j equal to 200, print I plus j. So now I'm going to press Ctrl O to save the files and then Ctrl X to exit from the file. Okay, now I'm going to compile the program by typing python new.py. Okay, now here you can see the output, that is hello, this is a Python program and the addition of two variables. So that's how we are going to create a Python program in our Termux. That's all in this video. Thank you.